Quickest way to learn Spanish online. There are many ways to learn Spanish. Here I present to you top 5 best options, so you can decide which is the best for you. Taking classes in person is a great way to learn Spanish if you want to be immersed in a scholarly atmosphere. You probably remember having made good friends in your college classes. Nevertheless, if you live far from a school or a language center, it can be difficult to take a Spanish class in person with a teacher. Living in a Spanish-speaking country will increase your learning ability. Besides being immersed in a scholarly atmosphere, studying abroad will force you to interact with the people and you will better appreciate the language and culture. If you can give yourself the luxury of spending some time abroad, you'll soon realize how much your vocabulary, your grammar, and your pronunciation have improved. Self-study is a great option if you are motivated. You can save a lot of money by researching courses on the internet. However, self-study is generally not enough. You need help and correction. Taking Spanish courses online is a great way to learn Spanish if you want to study at your own pace and from any part of the world. You can start or stop the lessons whenever you want and be sure that you can reuse the material to continue learning at any time. An online course has lower costs, and you can also save on the moving and lodging costs and the time away from your job that you would have to invest in order to take a class in person. Rocket Spanish is especially good at getting results quickly because it focuses on giving you the important and essential language first. If you're heading to a Spanish-speaking country and you need a quick induction, you'll appreciate how quick this is. When you consider the number of tools you get, the effectiveness of the material and the low cost, Rocket Spanish is probably one of the best value interactive Spanish courses on the market at the moment. Click the link below to visit the Rocket Spanish website.